More breaking news coming in, and government sources to Mirror Now have in fact now suggested that National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization has recommended increasing the gap between 2 doses of Covishield to 12 to 16 weeks. There's no change in the gap between doses of Covaxin recommended. This is what we are picking up from government sources who are saying that this is what the National Technical Advisory Group has now recommended, that they are saying that the gap between 2 doses of Covishield can even go up to 12 to 16 weeks. Remember, at the moment, as per the CoWIN platform, it says that the gap between 2 doses of Covishield can be 6 to 8 weeks. But right now, what we are picking up is a different strategy being suggested by the NTA. Let me go across to my colleague Ayushman on this. Ayushman, so the National Technical Advisory Group is in fact making this suggestion. What are you picking up? Does this also have something to do with the vaccine crunch, or is this something which is being suggested after looking at international models?
Well, Tanima, if you see, the evidences are there that when you increase the dosing regimen, the gap between the dosing regimen, the response is good. But how much do you increase it? That also depends, because 12, the current scenario which you see, which the NTAGI has recommended, is something that is new. Whether the vaccine shortage is one of the reasons, of course it is one of the reasons, because India doesn't have vaccine, and people who are getting the first dose of vaccine, if they start coming back, you don't have the second dose of vaccination, and the government has already made it a priority that 70% of the current stock should be given to people who are lined up for their second dosing regimen. So it is very, very important to understand that vaccine crunch is something that has forced to redesign the strategy of vaccination, and NTAGI has now, again, for the second time, has recommended that the dosing schedule of Covishield needs to be changed. It has to be increased. It has been increased now. The Covaxin remains same, 4 to 6 weeks, but we had seen earlier it was 6 to 8 weeks, and now it has gone past 12 to 16 weeks is what we are being told currently. Tanima, it will be important to see whether these recommendations are accepted by the Health Ministry or not. It has to be accepted. It is only a mere formality. It is very, very important to understand that, yes, the vaccine shortage remains the key issue for which this decision has been taken, Tanima.
Right, Ayushman, thank you so much for bringing us that perspective.